Zongshan Detran Display Products Company, Limited is a modern factory which specializes in designing, manufacturing, selling various of display fixture. Meanwhile, we also can provide a full sets of professional services to any kind of clients to promote their products in the shop. Our display products are used in many industries from common FMCG industry to luxury industry to help brand owner to promote their product. According to the difference of industry, our products can be divided into grocery display, alcohol display, cosmetic display, etc. We own a modern manufacturing plant which includes wooden workshop, acrylic workshop, metal workshop and painting workshop.